Hello peeps! Today, we'll take a look at the best streaming devices in the market. I made this list based on my favorites, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent products, you can check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K is the long-awaited update to the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. It features the same simple interface, large app selection, and impressive search function found on all Roku devices, but also offers Dolby Vision support. Along with a stick-like design, Dolby Vision HDR is the main difference between the Streaming Stick 4K and the Express 4K Plus, and is ostensibly why the Streaming Stick 4K is more expensive than its sibling. While we think the Streaming Stick 4K is a great device, we're just not sold on the Dolby Vision upgrade, mostly because we generally don't think that it provides a significant image quality upgrade over standard HDR. But if Dolby Vision is important to you, this device will not disappoint. The Chromecast Ultra was Google's initial drive for the 4K HDR crowd, a wafer-sized streaming device that can receive a 4K HDR signal from any mobile device currently on your network. It's similar to Google's previous streaming dongles in being a small device with big potential. So what makes this Chromecast so unique? The Chromecast Ultra earns that extra label, not only because it added 4K playback and HDR video for the first time, it also boasts an Ethernet port and improved internal components, so videos load faster and are less susceptible to lag. Those features help the Chromecast Ultra feel more premium than its predecessors, without offering a major departure in terms of form factor or available content. The key feature that makes the Chromecast Ultra so popular is simply its ability to cast content, to take a link sent from your phone, tablet, laptop, or smart speaker and load it up on your TV. The Nvidia Shield TV is an expensive media device at $200, and that's before adding a game controller with 8GB of storage and 2GB RAM, compared to 16GB of storage and 3GB of RAM. But if you want a jack-of-all-trades video streaming player, the Shield is it. In addition to 4K streaming and HDR, it offers a robust library of games, both console level and Android, Streamlink, built-in Google Assistant complete with smart home control, NAS access, Plex server compatibility, HDR home run integration, and much more. If you're looking for a speedy device, look no further than the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. The Max loads apps almost immediately, and navigating around the system is swift and smooth. Even better, the Max supports Wi-Fi 6 and nearly all the latest playback standards, including Dolby Vision. The downside to the Max is its Fire TV platform, and the fact that ads are featured prominently throughout. We don't appreciate the TV becoming a giant rotating billboard for content or ads when in screensaver mode, but this is a good choice for those people looking for a fast device or hooked into the Amazon ecosystem. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max is the best Fire Stick on the market today, and it's worth the extra money over the standard Fire TV Stick 4K. The perfect foil to the affordable 4K streaming devices above, the new Apple TV 4K still costs $179, but it's the better choice for people who want to check every feature box, or who just want an Apple device to use Apple Arcade for gaming, or take full advantage of their Apple One subscription bundles. Video Pursuits will appreciate its flexible HDR and TV collaboration feature, while those with older Apple boxes will love the new and improved remote. However, for most people, Apple's venerable remote control streaming device isn't worth the money, especially now that Roku has nearly all the major apps and AirPlay. If you really want Dolby Vision, you can find that on the Roku Streaming Stick 4K at a fraction of the price, but if you ask my personal opinion, I would say the remote is a massive upgrade over previous models already. Much easier to grip in hand with square corners but a rounded back. It feels much better, and I don't find myself hitting the Siri button on the right side of the remote. The physical buttons on the touchpad help so much with navigation. The readjustment on the buttons has been an easy and natural adjustment since the icons are a bit easier to understand. Also, a physical power button will be amazing for people who couldn't find it on the previous model. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of products featured today.